Hey everyone, it's Casey Neistat reporting for Jim Starr, and let's talk about the future of video production AI. This technology is revolutionizing the way we create and edit videos. It's changing the game, making things easier, faster, and cooler. Imagine having the power to edit videos in a fraction of the time it used to take. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, AI tools can seriously boost your video game. These tools are designed to help you achieve professional results with minimal effort. Remember the days of spending hours on editing? AI is here to help. It can take over repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects. We're talking about automating tasks, generating ideas, and even creating entire scripts. The possibilities are endless with AI at your fingertips. This isn't about replacing human creativity, it's about giving you superpowers to make your videos even better. AI enhances your skills and brings your vision to life. So if you're ready to unlock a whole new level of video production, stick around. There's so much to explore and learn. We're diving deep into the world of AI, specifically GPT-4, and how it can transform your creative process. Let's go. Get ready to be amazed by what you can achieve. Meet GPT-4, your new best friend in video creation. This AI powerhouse is like having a brainstorming partner, scriptwriter, and editor all rolled into one. It can understand your ideas, generate text, and even help you visualize scenes. Imagine feeding GPT-4 a simple prompt like create a 30-second video about the benefits of skateboarding. It can generate a script, suggest visuals, and even recommend music. Pretty cool, right? But GPT-4's talents don't stop there. It can also help you with translations, subtitles, and even create different versions of your video for different platforms. With GPT-4, the possibilities are endless. We all know that a great video starts with a great script, but sometimes getting those initial ideas down can be tough. That's where GPT-4 comes in. By providing GPT-4 with a few keywords or a brief description of your video idea, it can generate a detailed script, complete with dialogue, scene descriptions, and even emotional cues. Talk about a time saver. And it's not just about words. GPT-4 can also assist with storyboarding. Imagine inputting your script and having AI generate visual representations of each scene. This can help you visualize the flow of your video and make sure your story is engaging from start to finish. Editing is where the magic happens, but it can also be the most time-consuming part of video production. Every frame, every cut, and every transition requires meticulous attention to detail. Luckily, AI tools are here to streamline the process and elevate your videos to the next level. These advanced tools can handle repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on your creative vision. Imagine using AI to automatically remove background noise, enhance audio clarity, and even adjust volume levels seamlessly. Stabilize shaky footage, or even color correct your shots to achieve a professional look. These tools can save you hours of editing time, making the entire process more efficient and less stressful, leaving you free to focus on the creative aspects of your video, such as storytelling, visual effects, and overall design. One of the coolest things about AI editing tools is their ability to analyze your footage and suggest improvements. They can detect patterns and highlight key moments. For example, AI can identify the most engaging parts of your video, ensuring that your content captures and retains viewer attention, and automatically create a trailer or highlight reel. How cool is that? With AI, your editing process becomes not just easier, but also smarter and more intuitive. Section 5, Gear Up, Smartphones to Studios. AI has you covered. Now you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but do I need fancy equipment to use AI in video production? The answer is no. You don't need to break the bank to get started. Whether you're shooting on a smartphone or a high-end camera, AI tools are accessible to everyone. These tools are designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. In fact, many smartphones now come with built-in AI features that can enhance your videos in real time. These features can automatically adjust lighting, stabilize your shots, and even suggest edits. From portrait mode to object tracking, AI is making it easier than ever to capture professional-looking footage on your phone. You can achieve stunning results without needing to be a tech expert. And if you're working with professional equipment, there are even more advanced AI tools available. These tools can take your production quality to the next level. These tools can help you with everything from lens correction to motion graphics, giving you the power to create truly cinematic videos. The possibilities are endless when you combine your creativity with the power of AI. Section 6, AI and you, a dynamic duo in video creation. Remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement for your creativity. The best videos are still those that come from a place of passion and authenticity. AI is simply here to enhance your vision and make the process more efficient. Think of AI as your creative partner, there to bounce ideas off, automate tedious tasks, and help you achieve your vision. By embracing AI, you're not losing your unique voice, you're amplifying it. So don't be afraid to experiment, push boundaries, and see what amazing things you can create with the power of AI at your fingertips. Section 7, your AI video production toolkit. Essential tools and resources. Ready to dive into the world of AI video production? Here are a few tools and resources to get you started. GPT-4 for scriptwriting, storyboarding, and more. Runway ML, a platform for AI-powered video editing and effects. Adobe Sensei, AI tools integrated into Adobe's Creative Cloud suite. Descript, an AI-powered audio and video editor. This is just a starting point. There are countless other AI tools and resources available, so do your research and find the ones that best fit your needs and workflow. Section 8, AI in video production, addressing common questions. Now let's address some common questions about AI in video production. Will AI replace human video editors? No, AI tools are designed to assist editors, not replace them. Human creativity and decision-making are still essential in video production. Is AI video production expensive? Not at all. Many AI tools offer free trials or affordable subscription plans. Plus, using AI can save you time and money in the long run. Do I need to be tech-savvy to use AI tools? Most AI tools are designed with user-friendliness in mind. You don't need to be a coding expert to start using AI in your video production workflow. Section 9, keep creating, keep exploring. Join me on this journey. That's it for today's video. I hope this has given you a better understanding of how AI can elevate your video production game. Remember, this is just the beginning. The world of AI is constantly evolving, so keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep creating. Don't forget to check out my next video where we'll dive even deeper into AI video editing techniques. Peace out.